Oh, hi guys. Wanted to show you your cars out here. Look at that bad boy. Nice looking Charger. Oops. Very good at this. I know, I should probably pull these inside for you. I could probably do that. I'll get with Randy. There's the front. I'm really having trouble. There we go. So how's that look? Nice car. Got a couple other ones over here, but I'll talk to you while we, this is called Walking the Lot. How you doing? There's a nice one right there. Little Malibu, off lease. Sure, it's got 2 keys. Would you look at that? Another Malibu. I think that could be a trade. I don't know if you can see these. Yeah, it looks like a trade. Nice car. Premier Traverse, if someone wanted to save some money, you know what I mean? Impala. Get them while they're still making them. This has got a little scratch there where we're fixing, but that'll be a good switch car. Another Traverse. Save you some money. Dude, look at that. A Mazda? Mazda 3. I love those things. White one. Comes with a tailgate from a S10, I guess. I don't know what this is, but this looks like a Sonic. Cheap car for someone, you know what I mean? I think that's about it, boys. We've got trucks, snowplows. Good talk.